Mostly in the tech industry lately, we've been using AI as kind of a shorthand for LLMs, which are large language models. And an LLM is a type of artificial intelligence that's trained on huge amounts of data. That's the large part. And the LLM's aim is to understand and generate human language. So that makes it more able to perform tasks, particularly tasks based on pattern matching. Then we feed it prompts, the input that we give to the AI, like the task we set the AI. So you've probably noticed search engines like this using your search queries as really basic prompts. And an agent acts on behalf of an LLM. So it doesn't just respond to prompts like a chatbot kind of situation. It can also plan and analyze and execute tasks. Then there's this thing called tokens, which is kind of important because it often equates to a lot of money. A token is a unit of work that's done by an LLM, and it roughly represents about a character of text. So that's a lot of text going in and out in part of your dialogue with the LLM. And most LLMs will charge by that token. And a token is also quite a reasonable indicator of computational effort. And what is an MCP? Well, it stands for Model Context Protocol. So it's a protocol for providing context to the model, as in the large language model. And the MCP Server is a tool that exposes your Penpot file to your agent.